Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by eliminating power risk. Turn the mains and the emergency circuit off, then verify with a non-contact tester. Once done, disconnect the battery or isolator so you can work safely, and label each wire or take a photo to preserve polarity and connections. Make sure you have a multimeter, insulated screwdriver, the correct replacement LED or driver, and a soldering iron if the lamp uses soldered joints. This prevents mistakes and speeds the repair because you know exactly what you'll test next. You next diagnose the core components to find the fault. Start by measuring battery voltage and internal resistance and compare values against the rated specs. A weak battery shows high internal resistance and low voltage under load. Then test the emergency driver output, checking DC voltage both under load and no load because some drivers fail only when loaded. Inspect bulbs, LED modules, fuses, connectors, and PCB traces for burns, swollen cells, or cold joints. These visual clues tell you whether to replace the cell, driver. You now perform the repair. Replace the defective battery, driver, or LED module with parts that match voltage and current ratings and respect polarity. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery, allow a full charge, and run the emergency test cycle at least 1 to 3 times to confirm runtime meets spec. If the unit still fails, troubleshoot by substituting a known good driver or battery to isolate the failing component and make sure wiring, fuses, or firmware settings aren't preventing startup. This single swap often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.